plan is to actually summit this. You see it? Where am I pointing to? There. There? Yeah, I'm gonna go there. Okay, so I've already run only like 1 kilometer, and that's where I started. It's only 20 kilometers to the summit, which shouldn't be too hard, but go all the way there, and you go all the way up there, all the way up there, U-turn, and all the way up there. I think I'm doing okay so far. Check this out. I've climbed, I'd say not quite, at least half a kilometer I reckon, in terms of height. That's where I started. And then all these windy roads. There. That's where I'm going. Climbing the mountain, taking a shortcut actually. Oh my goodness, cactus. Everybody else is driving up. Maybe they're the smart ones. But I'm not sure if I'm a kilometer above sea level, but however far I am, I'm very, very high up. Whew. So high up that I can definitely feel that it's colder up here. And the air seems to echo less. I don't know what that means. Simply it's quieter. But yeah, having good fun. A little bit exhausted. Nearly up the top. Check this out. Wow. That's the top. Oh my goodness. You can see the other island. Whew. Wow. A village down there. Wow, dude. I'm literally on a mountain, dude. Wow. And there's the summit right there. Whew. Yeah, king of the mountain. Wow, king of the mountain, dude. Wow. Check it out. Interesting, I'm the only one up here. Where's everyone else? Well, actually, it goes a little higher. It definitely does, but I don't have the time. I don't have the time to do that, but as far as I'm aware, this is as far as I'm going to go on this one day. Definitely, it's a long way home. Last video before I desummit. But yeah, that's the top of Tenerife. Very far. I wonder if that's 100 kilometers away. Anyways.